Most people open an AI tool, type in a basic question like they're talking to a search engine, and get a generic, unusable answer back. Because they talk to it like a basic search bar, it acts like one, giving canned advice that takes 20 minutes to adopt to actual work. To get actual value out of these tools, we have to stop treating them like chatbots. Instead, we're going to build a customized, visually aware operating system, a structured architectural network that actually performs tasks for you. To set this up, you only need 3 things. Open an active Claude account, grab a screenshot of your website or a design you're working on, and find a standard business document, like your brand guidelines or an operating procedure. Building this system takes just a few minutes of setup right now. By doing it, you eliminate hundreds of hours of manual administrative tasks down the road. AI outputs directly mirror what you put into them. Garbage in, garbage out. To fix generic advice, we use the GCAO framework. First is the G, goal. Establish the exact objective and persona. Next, context. Feed it your specific reality, revenue, platforms, and problems. Then, action. Give a clear directive to identify content that attracts buyers. Finally, output. Dictate the exact formatting and structure. The first draft is rarely perfect. Command the AI to generate 6 more variations of the point you like best. You iterate and ask follow-up questions until the answer matches your exact needs. By applying this specific framework, you override the model's default settings. It stops acting like a simple search box and starts performing as a niche-specific consultant tailored to your exact business. Text is only half the equation. Claude can critically analyze design assets, user interfaces, and layouts. It understands what it's looking at and can solve problems based on visual feedback. To use this, open your chat, click the plus icon, and upload a screenshot of your landing page. Then, write a prompt asking for specific ways to increase conversion rates on that exact interface. It identifies framing problems and provides specific fixes. Integrating visual analysis connects text generation to actual product design, allowing the system to act as a conversion strategist. Explaining your business rules every single time you start a new conversation creates massive friction. To solve this, we use a feature called Projects. Open the left-hand sidebar in your workspace and click the Projects tab. Create a new project container and name it after a specific part of your workflow, like content ideation. Once you're in the project, you need to populate its memory. Drag and drop your static institutional knowledge, like your brand guidelines or standard operating procedures, directly into the project files. But just uploading files isn't enough. If you don't explicitly tell the AI to read them, it will ignore them entirely. Go to the project instructions box. Type exactly this. Always reference the uploaded brand guidelines before writing, and match the voice and rules exactly as described in the documents. Establishing this persistent context layer forces the system to adhere to your specific operational standards during every interaction. It now operates with the same institutional knowledge as an integrated partner. Projects hold your passive knowledge. Skills handle active execution. Think of a skill as a custom, repeatable automation that runs the exact same way every time you deploy it. In your workspace, open the search bar, click the Customize button, and select Skills. We're going to use the internal creator to build a new one from scratch. Instruct the builder to generate a professional business audit proposal. Give it the formatting rules, headers, and math required, and tell it to format a downloadable file. Crucially, assign an activation trigger word. Configure the skill to deploy this exact automation whenever you type proposal. Let's test it. Go back into your chat, type the word proposal, and paste in a few raw details about a new client's current revenue and specific bottlenecks. The AI bypasses normal text generation. It reads the raw data, applies your skill instructions, and instantly constructs a perfectly formatted, downloadable document ready to send to the client. Mastering skills compresses a multi-hour administrative formatting task into a single keystroke. You handle the strategy, and the system handles the heavy lifting. You started with a blank text box, hoping a generic search query would yield decent results. Now you operate a multi-layered automated infrastructure. You control the inputs through the GKAO framework. You audit design through visual analysis. You maintain persistent memory within projects, and you execute complex document creation with one-word trigger skills. The final step is scaling this methodology. By building distinct, isolated project containers for every major department in your life or business, you link all of these capabilities into one synchronized web. Adopting these systems removes the friction of repetitive work, creating an infrastructure that executes business operations on your behalf.